y'all! In this vlog, I'm using the Insta360 Go Ultra throughout the entire Japan vlog, and let me tell you, this is the most convenient and portable shy girl vlogging camera. If you're looking for one, this is actually just the size of a smisky. What I love about this vlogging camera is that it is so small and compact, yet it has a wide-angle camera lens. This camera is detachable from its case, and it also has a flip-up screen if you are a conscious girly like me. The camera itself is magnetic, so you can actually just stick it to any metal pole and you can just get a perfect shot. Okay, let's get back into the video. As soon as we landed, we went to Gutenba Premium Outlet and we're so hungry, so the first stop is Gyu Motomura. Nah, Ellery. What's your name? I say seaweed. Finally checking into our hotel near Mount Fuji. We're staying at Highland Hotel, which is right beside Fuji Q. And oh my god, the view! It's amazing. In the recent years, my family and I have been spending Chinese New Year overseas, and I just love how it just makes the entire season a little bit more intimate, traveling overseas with my parents and my family this time round. Funny story, it's only 2 months into the year and I've been to Japan twice, but this time not for snowboarding. We're traveling from Tokyo, Mount Fuji, and then Karuizawa, which is the outskirts of Tokyo, and it's my first time for both destinations, so I'm really excited. Hi everyone! We're at Lake Kawaguchi. Excited to eat the ice cream. Look at this. Premium milk. Wow. Hello, Ellery. Hello. No. Don't want to take picture. Try a banana toast. Valentine's Day and I'm here alone at Fuji Q. What a day. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay, our hotel is that Highland hotel. This is the gift store that I went just now, and then they have all the Valentine's Day stuff. Oh, hello. Hello. Let's go. And can y'all see Mount Fuji right there? I'm in awe! Oh, wow! There's Will also. It looks so pretty. Oh my god! The food, amazing! Okay, let's just go. Wait, they have honey mustard cheese sando and a nacho. Okay, I'm actually just here for the food. Oh my god, the butter bear! Oh my gosh, this looks actually amazing. Going to the swing. It's like 50 m high. 15 minutes only. Already have a lot of queue. Oh, let's just go in. Do y'all see? Mount Fuji right behind me. Oh, can you guys see? Oh, we can't tell already. It's just behind. I got the beef tortilla. See if it's good. It feels frozen. Oof. Nighttime. I really love amusement park, especially when it gets dark. It feels like the end of the chapter because it's so pretty. Give myself, yeah. This is the view outside of our little in-house onsen. So good. Bye bye, Mount Fuji. Spent about 3 days here. Honestly, I just feel so lucky to see Mount Fuji. Yesterday going to Fuji-Q was actually so good. Having the free admission, and I just had to pay like extra for the ride. I really love Japan right now. Karuizawa is so beautiful. This little town. Apparently this is the town, like a retreat town for the emperors in the ancient times. So that's why it's just so relaxing. And they also have a ski resort here as well. We're at the Karuizawa factory outlet right now, and it's dog friendly. Oh my god, so cute! They also have a pet paradise here. Let's go to the wrong shop now. Karuizawa, visiting Karuizawa. It's so freaking beautiful. Shopping? Cannot wait to buy my A6 shoes. The Nova Blast, because I'm gonna do my 21k this year, so oh my god, it looks like Tomorrowland here. Dude, what the hell? I lost all of them. I don't know where they are right now. This place looks cute. I want to go to that part because that's all the ASICs and stuff. Oh, I think I'll head to Nike and Adidas later. I definitely want to get my shoes right now. It's so beautiful in Japan. Couldn't find a dinner place at Karuizawa without booking anything, so we're here. It looks good too, but the menu is all like this. We're now at our Karuizawa hotel, and oh my god, this is my room. It's quite big for Japan standards. It's huge, eh? Dude. My Coco hotel in Ginza was just 30. I want to buy some coffee beans for my friend. Waiting for our coffee. It's super cold today. Guys, what's your stuff? It's snowing. Happy Chinese New Year! Happy New Year! It's Chinese New Year day 1. We're here. If you guys follow me and always watch my videos, you guys would know that almost every Chinese New Year will be overseas. It's my second time being in Japan. Overseas. I love Japanese bakeries. Actually, I love Korean cafes and bakery a little bit more. Karuizawa Stone Church. It's super cool right now. I've always envisioned myself living in the woods. We're at Hoshino Onsen. Very excited to go for the onsen right now. We just had lunch and I am freezing, so it's time for a little onsen. Yeah! First day back in Tokyo. It's a really nice weather because at Karuizawa it was -2 and here it's 12, so I took out my puffy jacket already. I do not want to wear that anymore, even though it's just so puffy and bulky. Got the lighter one. And I'm excited to shop around. We're going to Dior now. The matcha stand here. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Yoga space as well.
Thank you.
Excited to try the matcha here. Maybe I'll get the protein powder. Really excited for the unagi here. My brother's already here. Are we ready to go? Ooh. Let's do a little unboxing. This from Dior, and when I checked the price, it was a lot cheaper. Singapore, I think it was like 950. Here it's 700. It's 706. Here we go. Ta-da! Ta-da! I wanted this skin because I don't know, I just feel like it's more durable. And I really like it that it has a coin pouch. This. So I thought, since it's the new year, why not just get myself a little gift? I want to go for more snowboarding trips, so I got this. This is the Burton M4S. I heard a lot of people talk about this. So it's a goggle with a clip-on baklava, which I think it's really essential because my baklava just keeps sliding down. And I got this from the outlet. It's the Novo Blast, A6 Novo Blast, because I'm gonna train for my 21K, my half marathon, at the end of this year. So apparently this is one of the best running shoes, so I'm really excited. Original price in Singapore, I heard my friends say that it was 279 Singapore dollars. But this one, I got it from the outlet. It was at like 140 and it's like super bouncy and light. Oh, 特别喜欢它。Tsukiji market. Tsukiji is my first time at Tsukiji today. Let's go. 你最想吃什么？
吃钱。
没有啊，我是最想吃钱。Pandan eh. Oh wow, cute. Oh,
It's a coin pouch.
Oh, but quite ugly. I want the daifuku. One, yeah. Cute. It's all like Beatles themed. I love low acidity. I got my beans. Oh, it looks so good. So like my face is progressively getting rounder and rounder throughout the trip. Wow, a donut. I actually queued for at least 20 minutes, so I got those two for my brother and my fan. Sensoji Temple. Coffee. We buy. Oh, so cute.
お待たせいたしました。
Ready to go home. Concluded that a vacation can only be till like 5 to 7 days. 10 days is just too long.
The next station is Tokyo.